Right, in this last video, I'm going to show you how to create this cloud face of mine, like this one here. Okay, so we're going to be using this thing called the Lasso Tool. All right, Lasso Select Tool. Okay, we're going to be selecting my face and then putting the clouds in my face. So let's first start by searching for a cloud image. So let's just find one. Again, if you guys are searching here, you should be using large images here. So we're going to tools here, size, large. Just want to find some clouds here. This is good. Something with blue, I think. That's good here. We're going to hit copy here. Then we're going to paste this into our design. Paste. Zoom out a little bit here. Again, I'm going to scale this guy down low so it's easier to work with. Holding down shift, and we're just going to drag it here. Hit enter and go ahead and name this. This is going to be clouds. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide the cloud layer. I'm going to go back to the Mr. Her layer. Okay, I'm going to zoom in here. Now all we're going to do here is we're going to take the lasso tool, and you guys are going to try your best to just trace my face out here. So we're going to go in. I'm going to trace around my face here. This is actually pretty smooth. There. Now, say I wanted to add to this, I can simply just click this option right here. This is an add option. I can just start dragging the rest of my face in here and all the way into this previous created shape. Just let go and it will add to it directly. So if I zoom in close here, I missed some of my cheek here. So I'm just going to drag, get some more of the cheek in here. There you go. Some more of my forehead here. And also right here. Okay, now that my face and my neck is selected, we're going to go back to the clouds layer, turn it on. All right, make sure you clicked on it. And then we're going to mask that. So simple as that. Okay. Pretty simple. Now I can move that around. So if I zoom in here, move that around just like we did earlier. By unlocking that, I can move, oops, click that layer. I can move this around. To a spot that I like. Oh, I like that. Many more blue. Or you can enlarge it as well. Okay, I think that's pretty dope. Hit enter. Lock that back again. Now to make my glasses reappear, pretty simple. We're going to turn down the opacity here in this layer. Now we're going to click our mask layer and we're just going to brush, get the brush tool here and brush my glasses back. So take this down. You're just going to erase the glasses back into here. So pretty simple technique here. Shrink down this. So I definitely want you guys to do a better job at cutting my glasses out. So I'll just do that real quick for you. Again, if you mess up, just hit the X button, go back to the white brush, and brush that blue back into here, or brush the clouds back, basically. So we're just cutting and erasing them away. All right, that's pretty good. And then now I'm going to zoom out, turn up the opacity here. There you go. There is our collage. Pretty cool. You guys can definitely add more stuff if you want. You can duplicate things. Like my ellipse right now is a little off-centered, so I'll probably move it up here. You know, you could also do this too, where you add a layer mask to the ellipse, and then you can brush. For instance, I can bring the butterfly here in front if I just brush away the butterfly right here. So if I brush this away, this will create an illusion that the butterfly is in front of the ellipse. So once I click off of here, you guys can see what I mean. There it is. You see that? So now the butterfly is in front. I could also do that to the H here. I could go back to the H here and maybe have it, you know, behind this here. So go back to the ellipse here, the mask tool, brush this part away, and zoom out there. Okay, so have fun with this practice. Your final will look very similar. You just need to have 10 layers as well. It can be anything you want. Okay, so let's just save this. So we're going to go up to File. You can resave it as a PSD, and then you can export it as a JPEG. Hit save, and then you can go ahead and upload it to this assignment, and then you're done. Then you can start your own. When you start your own, you can go ahead and start it the same way.